In many countries, kefir is often called the sour friend of the stomach. This drink has a beneficial effect on the digestive process. That is why it is introduced into the diet from early childhood. It contains special, unique microorganisms. It is a symbiosis of dozens of lactic acid streptococci and bacilli, acetic acid bacteria, and yeasts of a uniform white color. They resist harmful pathogenic flora. These microorganisms destroy pathogens of gastrointestinal diseases. Beneficial bacteria live in our intestines and help digest fiber-rich foods. The quality of digestion often depends on the state of the intestinal microflora. Some physiologists believe that the stronger the flora, the better a person's immunity. Therefore, kefir is given to children to strengthen their health from an early age. The preparation procedure has remained unchanged for several centuries. So, how is kefir made? It is no secret that it is produced from cow's milk. Most often, the tank bulk method is used for its production. The entire process takes place in a closed mode to protect the product from external influence. Fat content can vary. During production, it is either reduced or increased to the required level. Our products are competitive. This indicates that it is an environmentally friendly and pure product. The first step in preparing milk for kefir production is separation. This is a process where milk is cleared of mechanical impurities and normalized by fat content. After that, it is sent for homogenization, where fat globules are broken down throughout the raw material to obtain a uniform mixture. Automated units are used for this today. Now the milk is ready for pasteurization. We apply a temperature of 90 degrees Celsius, 194 degrees Trev, with a 1-minute holding time. The purpose of pasteurization is to destroy pathogenic microorganisms while preserving all necessary substances. It also extends the shelf life of the milk. High-temperature treatment is also necessary to preserve the main properties of the future kefir: its viscosity, taste, and curd density. Technologists always monitor the pasteurization process. Milk can curdle at any moment, or the product's moisture level might drop. The starter culture is prepared using kefir grains. It consists of streptococci, dairy yeasts, and lactic acid bacilli. Typically, a volume of milk 10 times the volume of the grains is taken. The mixture is stirred for 5 to 8 minutes and left to ferment for 8 to 10 hours. After this, the finished product is analyzed. We check the curd consistency and the appearance. We take an average kefir sample of about 50 milliliters. First, the sample must be thoroughly mixed. We open the package and conduct an organoleptic analysis. The color depends on the type of drink. For kefir, it should be milky white. Consistency and appearance are monitored during mixing. The product mass is homogeneous and meets all organoleptic requirements. Now we can analyze the acidity, an important indicator for kefir. Special reagents and a 10 milliliter kefir sample are used. We add a special indicator, phenolphthalein, mix it and titrate it with an alkali solution. We watch for the color change. The appearance of a pale pink color allows us to determine the acidity. In this case, it is 86 degrees Turner, which fully complies with GOST standards. After fermentation, the nearly finished kefir is cooled to the maturation temperature. Stirring is one of the most important stages, lasting at least half an hour. The kefir is cooled to a temperature of 1220 degrees, 68 degrees. During the maturation stage, the most beneficial bifidobacteria multiply in it. Kefir is one of the first products recommended for supplemental feeding of infants. It is absorbed 3 times faster than milk and stimulates digestion. Our kefir is ready for packaging and filling. Pure pack cardboard cartons remain the most popular on the market. The machine's operation includes carton forming, product dosing, sealing, and date stamping. The cartons are practical, lightweight, and convenient for transport. Buy environmentally friendly and high-quality goods made in Kazakhstan. Bon appétit!
Thank you.